this video, I'll be showing you how to make a push stick from start to finish. It will be practically a custom design, but you can finagle it according to your taste. This video is inspired by a comment that was left on one of my videos, this comment right here, where someone commented, why are you not using a push stick? And normally I do use a push stick when there's narrow cuts, but I did rewatch the video after I saw that comment, and I did see that my hand was kind of close to the blade in one of the cuts. And I'm not going to argue, he is right. We should always be safe when working with power tools. So again, thank you for that comment. I really do appreciate it. In this video, we'll be making this push stick, which I will begin using in my videos moving forward. Of course, because we all gotta work safe. Work safe, live safe. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mario, and this is Build with Mario, where we bring positive energy to all projects. Hope you can leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let's get right into it. All right, so let's jump into the design. So with this, I'm making mine at 10 inches by 8 inches, okay? Inches should be enough to hold down a majority of the boards that I'll be using, and 8 inches is not too tall. It should be just right. By the time I make this, then I will know whether or not it has to be shorter or larger, but that's what I'm gonna go with for now, okay? My little kicker right here to push the wood when I'm pushing it through the table saw, that's a little under a half of an inch. Why? Because I normally use 3/4 inch wood, and maybe sometimes I will come across a 1/2 inch wood, but I want to leave this short enough to compensate for 1/2 inch wood if I do use it. Okay, it will definitely be good enough for 3/4. So I have this a little bit under 1/2 inch. Okay, what I'm just gonna do now is get this popped out, get this cut out on the table saw piece, well at least 10.5 by 8 inches. And then we'll move on to the next step, which is tracing this out with my jigsaw. But before we do move on to the table saw, I just want to let you guys know you can buy templates online from Etsy or anywhere that's available. You can just Google push stick or table saw push stick templates, and you can buy it, you print it out. Maybe there's some free online as well. Just look up free push stick templates. Print it out to the size that you want it to be, put it on your wood, trace it out, and then you don't have to necessarily freehand if you feel comfortable doing it and you want to have it perfect in a certain way. And of course you could also buy it, but of course I'm showing you how to make it yourself, okay? It doesn't have to be this design, it could be anything you desire. Okay, so before moving on to cutting it out with my jigsaw, I'm just gonna cut out the holes for now, and then after I'll use the jigsaw to cut everything out, including the middle section too, okay? So let me get this out of the way. Okay, due to technical difficulties, I'll have to just bypass the hole saw and just drill 2 holes. There's already one here. I'm just gonna make another one here, and I'll just do the curves. I'll do everything with the jigsaw instead, okay? Due to my tools wanting to embarrass me. But let's keep it moving. There's different ways to get the same job done. Let's do it. Okay, the hole is there. Way faster than using the hole saw. I'm just gonna make sure my blade fits through the hole, and it does. Now, let's cut all this out. Okay, now that we have this all cut out and it's looking beautiful, it's to round out all the sides, except for the base. Okay, so I'm just gonna be tracing the sides here and the inside, both sides, front and back. Okay, I'll be using a 1/4 inch round over bit. You can use 3/8 if you like. You want the indent a little bit, the round to be a little bit more, but 1/4 inch should be good enough for me. All right, so let's get it. Last but not least, let's see if it works on the table saw. And there you have it, a push stick for a table saw. Very simple and very quick to make, just out of scrap. Okay, so now of course I'll be working safe from here on out. I do have a push stick, but I think this is more stable. The push stick I have comes with the table saw, as you all know, but this definitely keeps the wood more stable. It has more surface to keep the wood that I'm pushing through down and keep us safe as well. Okay, if you find this useful, please like the video and please subscribe for more. I do have other projects and other jigs as well on my channel, so feel free to look around. If you do have a suggestion for a project, please leave it in the comments below. I will be looking forward to making it for you. So see you guys on the next one. Stay positive and have an amazing day.